Dustin Hafner, DH Custom Rods and Tackle. I want to talk about one of our hybrids. This one is called the Pannie dropper, panfish specific hybrid Noodle. This rod is built on a portion of our Noodle blank, okay? But we replaced the first 2 inches of that with our Nightingale spring tip. What that does is gives you a great deal of versatility. You can bypass the spring, run it out of the end of the guide here, or out of the end of the rod through that guide. Now you can, get basically a little bit stiffer noodle for running a little bit bigger jig, or some guys like to get a little more cadence on their jigs when they're sight fishing. Okay, this will give you that added pop. Or if we're fishing gills, real finicky bite, now we're going to utilize the spring on our Pannie dropper, okay? And we'll get that up bite or the down bite. Basically, they won't know you're there until it's too late. They're not going to feel that spring whatsoever. Unless you physically kink this Nai-Tai Co over on itself, it'll always remain completely straight. I use a medical grade Nightingale guide wire. With the addition of cobalt, it makes it stable to 80 below zero. So unlike most Nightingale with recoils, like for example recoil guides, this metal becomes malleable at 15 degrees or less. This, however, with the addition of cobalt, will not become malleable at all. So this is a very lethal panfish rod, panfish specific, hence the name Pannie dropper. Pannie droppers are fully customizable, anywhere from 16 inches all the way out to 36 inches. That would of course include the length of the spring as well. So to overall length is what we're looking at. Pick your colors, pick your guides, pick your handles. Lethal panfish rod. You can check these out on dhcustomrods.com. Follow us on Facebook at DH Custom Rods and Tackle, or Twitter at DH Custom Rods. The Pannie dropper.